Welcome back to the fourth Python practical series, and my name is Ram Krishn Mishra. On behalf of KramfoTech, we are running with the whole Python practical series where you can have a hands-on practice. So let us start, and as I told that we are using Anaconda navigators. Inside that there is one application, Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. So they both are the same. I'll tell you what is the difference in the coming future. But currently we are using a notebook. So we will launch Jupyter Notebook, and once I'll minimize this because currently I'm in the Mac environment, so I don't be confused. Both are the same only. So I'm just bringing this to the here. Yeah. So now you might be able to see that once you will open Jupyter Notebook, you will get full whole directory structure. Directory, I mean the folders. So inside the desktop I have created one folder. The folder name is Python Practical by RK Mishra, and here I'm going to create one file, and file inside the right side you will go, and you will select the Python 3, and since we are going to create the Python file, now automatically one untitled file will be created. Fine. So now through this file, here you can rename this, and you can give here fourth practical session, right? All right, so let us start. The previous video we saw that how to accept the input from the user, and how will perform basic operations. So few more important things I wanted to show you. That let's say if we are going to accept the string input, so do we need to do the typecasting or not? That's how we are going to show. So we'll give here string input from user, right? And so let's say str1 is the one string variables where using the input function, and let's say I'm going to say enter first string, and in message you can give and str2, and I'm going to accept second string, enter second string. Okay, now I'm just going to print first string 1 equal to, and we will give one comma str1, right? And then print string 2 equal to, and again you will give a comma after the double quotes, and then str2 you will give the string variable to name. And third time what we are doing, I am taking one another variables, and can you perform the concatenation? Yeah, you can say addition of two strings in another strings. I mean what I'm going to do here. So string 1 plus a string 2. So str1, so what it will do, whatever input we are giving to the string, and both will be concatenated, I mean combined to each other, and will store to the string 3. And let's print now, and here we'll give here combine string equal to, and we'll give here, don't forget to put the comma, str3. all right. So as I said that there's two options to run the code, either shift plus enter if you are in the Mac, or alt plus enter, and otherwise actually you can use this run menu also. So once you will run, if your code don't have any errors, so you will get options to accept the string. So first string I will give Ram, second string I will give Chris. Okay, so see, look at here, there is some errors which we are facing here. So see, str1 str both are in the lowercase, but here few mistakes we did. We are printing here str3, right? Combined string is stored in the strc. So these are this kind of few errors you will face, so don't worry for that. Just try to rectify it, because what it's saying that str2 is not defined. So yes is here in the uppercase. So since we need to take care of this case sensitivity as well, that the characters, whatever you are using in uppercase, it should be in the uppercase only. So there is a difference in both cases. So let's do the testing one more time. And now here you will see string 1 equal to Ram, string 2 equal to Krishna, and combined string equal to Ram and Krishna. Okay, so that's how here it's working, and you will be able to combine two strings. Okay, so we'll complete the next video.